COVID-19 pandemic has limited our dining options and given rise to a handful of food delivery apps. User experience is essential for food-related apps. Here are a few tips to keep in mind if you want your app beautiful and delicious. First, pay attention to padding. Minimalistic design is critical as it gives your user a clean and tidy impression. Leave sufficient padding in the app to let the components breathe. Second, a food app must focus on the search function. Users must be able to find exactly what they want and find it quickly, because if they can't, they'll move on. People used to have predictive searches. In this case, each result has all the information you want with a thumbnail. The next important thing to remember is that you should make the app personal. Everyone has different tastes and preferences, and a user is more likely to place an order when the choices are tailored to their liking. Finally, you'll need to find out the ways to build trust with the app. Most people are concerned about food safety. You'll need to be transparent about the food, vendors, delivery channels. Nothing builds trust more than transparency. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You are watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.